Soil investigation plays a crucial role in the construction industry, especially when it comes to the design and planning of structures. Gurgaon Sector 44, located in the bustling city of Delhi, is no exception to this. With its rapid urbanization and infrastructure development, it is essential to conduct a thorough soil investigation in this area to ensure the safety and stability of the structures that will be built. The primary purpose of soil investigation in Gurgaon Sector 44 is to gather information about the soil composition, its properties, and its behavior under different conditions. This information is then used by engineers and architects to determine the most suitable foundation design for the planned structures. The soil investigation process involves various techniques such as drilling boreholes, collecting soil samples, conducting laboratory tests, and analyzing the data obtained. One of the key factors that need to be considered in soil investigation in Gurgaon Sector 44 is the SCON design. SCON design refers to the design of shallow foundations that are commonly used in residential and commercial buildings. Therefore, it is crucial to accurately assess the soil's bearing capacity and its ability to resist settlement to ensure the stability of the buildings. Delhi's soil composition is known to vary significantly across different areas, and Gurgaon Sector 44 is no exception. The soil in this area may consist of a combination of clay, silt, sand, and gravel, each with its unique properties. It is vital to determine the exact composition and characteristics of the soil through a comprehensive soil investigation process. By conducting a detailed soil investigation in Gurgaon Sector 44, engineers and architects can gather valuable information that will enable them to design structures that are safe, efficient, and durable. When it comes to the design and planning of structures, soil analysis is vital in the construction sector. This also applies to Gurgaon Sector 44 in the busy metropolis of Delhi. To assure the safety and stability of the structures that will be developed in this area, which is rapidly urbanizing and developing its infrastructure, a complete soil assessment is necessary. In Gurgaon Sector 44, the main goal of soil investigation is to learn more about the composition, characteristics, and behavior of the soil under various environmental situations. The best foundation design for the proposed constructions is then decided upon by engineers and architects using the information provided. Numerous methods, including drilling boreholes, gathering soil samples, performing laboratory testing, and interpreting the results are used in the soil inquiry process. The SCON design is one of the crucial elements that must be taken into account during the soil research in Gurgaon Sector 44. Shallow foundations, which are frequently utilized in residential and commercial buildings, are designed using a technique known as SCON design. Soil carrying capacity and settlement resistance